A company called Blackrock, which is worth $10 trillion, has started buying a huge number of XRP Ripple coins. The event has shocked experts. It will blow your mind how much Blackrock spends every day on XRP Ripple coins. As well, crypto experts aren't just sitting there doing nothing. They think that this week will be the best week ever for XRP Ripple. That's exactly what's going on right now, even though it sounds crazy. You can't miss that sign that the market is going up. Let's get right to the point without any more nonsense. Nota bene. In the world of cryptocurrency, things change quickly. BlackRock and JP Morgan's recent investments in XRP have been among the most interesting recent events. These big players now have control of more than 7.5 million Ripple tokens. This marks a turning point for the digital asset, which has had its fair share of problems. Ben Armstrong, a market commentator, said on Twitter the whole crypto world is changing because BlackRock and JP Morgan are putting a lot of money into XRP. This feeling sums up the growing belief in XRP's promise, especially as these big names in finance start to change the story about cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin and Ethereum have been the main topics of conversation for a long time, but the renewed interest in XRP shows a change in investor mood that should not be missed. Which is said to be more than 7.5% of the company's total wealth, is a big change from how traditional finance has usually looked at cryptocurrencies, which has been skeptical. Armstrong stresses how important this change is, saying that it is a big change in how the financial world sees digital assets. This isn't just about risky purchases. It's about recognizing that cryptocurrencies have worth on their own and can add to the world economy. The biggest asset manager in the world, BlackRock, is also said to be interested in XRP. Additionally, the company's attention gives Ripple's token more credibility, which could lead to wider adoption. A tweet from 24 Hours Crypto showed how excited people were about these changes. I'm excited to hear what they say when XRP turns Bitcoin around. I think it's crazy that 99% of people think Bitcoin will stay a thing for a long time. Many investors are starting to see XRP not just as an option, but as a strong competitor in the crypto space if they are so excited about it. There are rumors going around that BlackRock might even focus more on XRP than Bitcoin. One tweet from WhaleFud makes this strategy shift seem likely. This is important because BlackRock has historically focused on the two biggest cryptocurrencies. This change could mean that Wall Street is becoming more aware of XRP's usefulness and growth potential, especially as it tries to fit in better with the main financial system. King XRP added to the rumors by making the bold claim that BlackRock was putting $27 trillion into XRP. This number may seem exaggerated, but it shows a bigger trend of institutional funding that will probably change the crypto world. If these big companies keep putting money into XRP, it could lead more individual and institutional buyers to start using it. Even with these changes, the legal problems that XRP's makers, Ripple Labs, are still facing are a worry. But the fact that big banks are ready to put a lot of money into XRP shows that confidence is growing despite these problems. Armstrong said, "We're living through a turning point for the integration of cryptocurrencies into mainstream finance. This could speed up the acceptance of cryptocurrencies, making XRP a major player in the financial world. Instead of just being a digital asset that gets lost in the shadows of Bitcoin and Ethereum. You can bet that the price of XRP Ripple will change a lot because of this huge change in the financial world. You won't want to miss what's next, trust me." Crypto experts are already talking about what they think will happen, and some of their statements are really shocking. A new generation of millionaires could be on the verge of being made thanks to XRP Ripple. Are you ready to find out what might happen? Watch out. As XRP continues to try to find its way in the complicated cryptocurrency market, a major study by market expert Greg has drawn attention to a major problem the token is having. Broadcast B. Since 2017, this barrier has been a big problem for XRP. How well it does at breaking through could determine the future of the currency. Greg found that 64 cents is the first big resistance level. This is an immediate roadblock. If XRP can break through this level, the next test will be at 85 cents, which is the middle point of channel B. This level is very important. If the price breaks above $0.85, it means that momentum is changing from negative to bullish. Greg says that a break above this level would mean that momentum has shifted from bearish to bullish. This could make it possible for XRP to test the $1.10 level, which is seen as the last big obstacle before a big price jump. It's interesting that a lot of people who follow the market think that XRP breaking through the $1 mark could be a big turning point. One expert said that once this level is reached, it might not trade below $1 again, which shows how important it is both psychologically and technically. If XRP closes above $1.10, it could start a bullish pattern that a lot of people are looking forward to. According to eGrag, XRP has big long-term goals. They say that if it can break through $1.10, it could go over $7 in the short run. The next possible goal is almost $14, and the final goal is a shocking $28. These predictions are not just guesses. They show that more and more people in the market think XRP has the ability to go up a lot. You can bet that the whales have been paying attention and buying millions of XRP Ripple coins behind the scenes. This sudden increase in purchases is a strong sign that prices will rise, and XRP could very well go above $27 this month. This is a chance that you should not miss. Watch this space to see how this might change things for buyers. New data shows a big trend that could keep the price of XRP Ripple from falling below the important $0.50 mark, even though interest in it is growing. Sentiment says that. Big investors, who are often called whales, have greatly increased the amount of money they own. On October 17th, addresses with 100 million to 1 billion tokens held 9.6 billion of them together. Since then, that number has grown to almost 10 billion. The fact that these big players have gathered about 140 million XRP, which is worth about $77 million, shows that they are very hopeful. If whales make big purchases, it's usually because they think the price will go up. In the past, this trend has been a sign that prices are about to go up. These investors are buying a lot of XRP, which means they think the price will go up. This is probably because they think XRP will break through important resistance levels. One market expert said that big accumulations often mean that people are optimistic about the market. This shows how important these movements are to the way the market works as a whole. The fact that the funding rate for XRP is currently positive adds to the confidence. This rate tells you how much the mark price of perpetual futures is different from the index price of the underlying product. Traders are mostly bullish when the funding rate is positive, which means that longs pay off shorts. This shows that people are sure the price will go up, which could bring even more buyers to the market. In this case, the fact that the funding rate for XRP is positive shows that people are becoming more optimistic, which is good for price growth. Whales buying more XRP and a positive funding rate could help the coin reach its long-term goal of $27. As long as these big buyers keep buying XRP, it could cause other investors to do the same. Prices could go up because of more demand, which would make small buyers even more interested. More people buying could push the price up a lot as more people join the market. This could break through resistance levels and cause the price to go through the roof. Every move is important in this fast-paced world, and the ongoing buildup by whales could lead to what many people think will be a turning point for XRP. The next few weeks will be very important as the market keeps a close eye on things. Will the trust of the whales cause prices to go through the roof? The scene is set, and buyers can't wait to see how this exciting story goes from here. And now the only question is, what do you think about that? Do you think XRP Ripple will go up? What do you think will happen? Please tell me in the comments. Would be interested to know. This video has now come to an end. Thanks for seeing it. Thank you for reading. If you liked it, please click the like button. Leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and most importantly, don't forget to follow.